Welcome to our video series targeted at maintenance and operations teams. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to demystify the process of lubricant oxidation, a crucial factor in maintaining your equipment's health. You'll learn about what happens during oxidation, how to detect it, and the preventive measures you can take to avoid major damage to your company's essential assets. Let's dive right in. Lubricant oxidation is the gradual breakdown of oil that can lead to ineffective lubrication of your equipment and machines. If left unchecked, it can cause significant problems within industrial applications and even major damage to your company's critical assets. That's why preventive maintenance tasks revolving around oil changes and lubricant testing are key to your overall maintenance program. So, what exactly happens during oxidation? Well, the chains of hydrocarbons in your oil begin to break down. At first, you might not notice anything, but over time, this process will start to affect the lubrication of bearings and other components. When the chain breaks down, the molecules within the oil change how they handle the friction between two moving components. Think of it like this. Imagine a floor covered with a single layer of same-sized marbles with a flat board on top. The board can move easily because the marbles function like bearings, but when oxidation occurs, it's like adding a few ping-pong balls under that board. These larger balls change the way the board moves across the marbles, making it less effective and generating more heat. Now, since good lubrication is vital for the proper operation of machinery and equipment, many equipment manufacturers, third-party organizations, and internal maintenance programs will test for signs of oxidation. For example, you can use a viscometer to check the viscosity of oil. Oxidation causes the oil to get thicker, which can prevent your equipment from functioning properly. You might also want to check the amount of moisture in the oil, as this can lead to plugged filters or accelerate the oxidation of acids, which can corrode metal. Infrared spectroscopy is a great tool for checking moisture levels. Some organizations also test for the total acid number and the total base number, which monitor oxidation and oil breakdown. Sometimes a maintenance technician might see metallic particles in the oil, notice that the oil is darker than normal, or detect a foul odor. These visual signs can also indicate oxidation. If your company uses additives in its lubricants, there are more specific tests that can detect breakdown within those additives. For instance, a magnetometer measures the mass of ferrous material, and a laser beam can help count and measure the size of particles. Now let's talk about preventive maintenance considerations. Incorporating lubricant testing as one component of equipment maintenance allows companies to better monitor overall asset condition and take corrective steps before downtime or damage occurs. While many companies may schedule regular oil changes, this task alone does not necessarily optimize equipment performance. Without lubricant testing, you might be changing the oil too frequently, wasting both labor and oil. On the other hand, if oil changes happen too infrequently, you could damage your equipment or cause other problems. By conducting an in-service lubricant analysis, you're able to get to the root cause of potential issues. For example, if you identify contaminants as a cause of oxidation, you can work to reduce or eliminate those contaminants and improve the longevity of your lubricants. Remember, you might need to use more than one test to get a complete picture of lubricant oxidation. Collect data points from your technicians who work regularly with equipment. Also, gather information from sensors that monitor viscosity through flow rates and conduct appropriate oil condition tests. This data, in sum, can then help you see when lubricants must be changed and possibly the cause of oxidation. These components add to a holistic maintenance history of how frequently and under what conditions your equipment may require lubrication services. Remember, understanding and monitoring lubricant oxidation is a crucial part of maintaining your equipment's health. Stay proactive, keep testing, and you'll keep your machines running smoothly for years to come. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of understanding lubricant oxidation, how to detect it, and the preventive measures you can take. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, a well-maintained machine is a happy machine.